Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. Are you facing lag, high ping, buffering, or slow internet speed while gaming online? Don't worry, in today's video, I'll show you the best ways to increase internet speed on your PS5 and fix slow connection issues permanently. Let's get started. Step 1. Restart your PS5 and router. A simple restart can clear temporary network bugs and improve connection stability. Here's what to do. Turn off your PS5 completely. Unplug your router for 30 seconds. Plug it back in. Wait until the internet reconnects. Turn your PS5 back on. Step 2. Use a LAN cable instead of Wi-Fi. If you really want faster internet speed on PS5, use an Ethernet cable. Wi-Fi can become unstable because of walls, distance, other devices, signal interference. Step 3. Change Wi-Fi frequency band. If you use Wi-Fi, switch your PS5 to the 5 GHz band. 5 GHz is much faster than 2.4 GHz. Here's how. Open Settings. Go to Network. Select Settings. Highlight your Wi-Fi. Press the Options button on your controller. Choose Wi-Fi frequency bands. Select 5 GHz. Step 4. Pause background downloads. Background downloads can slow down your internet speed. Check if your PS5 is downloading updates, uploading saved data, updating games automatically. To pause downloads, go to Downloads, Uploads, right pointing arrow, pause all. Step 5. Change DNS settings. Changing DNS settings can improve connection speed and reduce latency. Try using Google DNS, Primary DNS, 8.8.8.8, Secondary DNS, 8.8.4.4. Conclusion. So guys, those were the best ways to increase internet speed